Next problem. Slopes of lines L1 L2 of ax square plus 2hxy plus by square b m1 and m2. It is a joint equation of line L1 and L2. Slope of line L1 is m1, slope of line L2 is m2. Then find joint equation of L3 and L4 passing through origin such that slope of line 3 equals slope of line L1 plus 1, slope of line L4 equals slope of line L2 plus 1. ax square plus 2hxy plus by square, line L1, line L2, slope is m1, slope is m2. Line equation y equals m1x, y minus m1x equal to 0, y minus m2x equal to 0. Slope of line L3, slope of line L3 equals slope of line L1, slope of line L1 is m1 plus 1. Slope of line L4 equal to slope of line L2 plus 1. Slope of line L2 is m2 plus 1. Equation, the line equation, y minus slope is m1 plus 1 into x equal to 0. The line equation y minus slope of this line is m2 plus 1 into x equal to 0. So joint equation, this one, sum of the slopes minus 2h by b, product of the slopes a by b. Now question is the joint equation of L3 and L4. What is joint equation? Is equal to L3 line into L4 line equal to 0. L3, y minus m1 plus m1 plus 1 into x into y minus m2 plus 1 into x equal to 0. Now m1 plus 1 into m2 plus 1 into x now minus of m1 plus 1 plus m2 plus 1 into xy, next minus of minus plus y square equal to 0. So product of these two, m1 into m2 plus m1 plus m2 plus 1 into x. Now m1 plus m2 plus 2 into xy plus y square equal to 0. So m1 plus m2, here slope of line m1, this one is m1 plus 6. Now m1 plus m2 is minus 2h by b, minus 2h by b plus 1. m1 into m2 equal to a by b into x, minus m1 plus m2 is minus 2h by b plus 2 into xy plus y square equal to 0. This one is the combined equation of line L3 and line L4. I hope you are understanding. The combined equation of lines passing through 1, 2 and perpendicular to line pair 3x square minus 8xy plus 5y square. L1 and L2, two lines, point P 1, 2. The combined equation of lines, the combined equation of these two lines passes through 1 comma 2 perpendicular to the pair line, perpendicular to L1 and perpendicular to L2. Now 3x square minus 8xy plus 5y square through origin. So line L1, line L2. This one is perpendicular to line L1 and passes through 1 comma 2 and passes through 1 comma 2. So the required line is perpendicular to line L1 and line L2 and passes through 1 comma 2. This is the line L1, this one is the line L2, point P, 1 comma 2. So this line is parallel, perpendicular to line L2. So line parallel to or perpendicular to L2, then parallel to L1. This line is perpendicular to L1 and parallel to L2. One line is parallel to L1, then perpendicular to the line L2. మనకి L1 లైన్ కి ప్యారలల్ ఉంటే L2 లైన్ కి పర్పెండిక్యులర్ ఉంటుంది, L2 లైన్ కి పర్పెండిక్యులర్ ఉంటే L1 లైన్ కి ప్యారలల్ ఉంటుంది. So these two lines combined, we need to calculate the combined equation of these two lines. These two lines are perpendicular to line L1 and line L2. మనకి అబ్జర్వ్ చేస్తే ఈ లైన్ అనేది L2 లైన్ కి పర్పెండిక్యులర్ వస్తుంది అంటే L1 కి ప్యారలల్. ఈ లైన్ అనేది L1 కి పర్పెండిక్యులర్ వస్తుంది అంటే లైన్ L2 కి parallel వస్తుంది. So first 3x square minus 8xy plus 5y square equal to 0. First we need to calculate lines, line L1 and line L2. 3x square minus 3xy minus 5xy plus 5y square equal to 0. Now bring outside 3x, x minus y, bring outside 5y, x minus y equal to 0. 3x minus 5y into x minus y equal to 0. Two lines, 3x minus 5y equal to 0, line L1, line L2, x minus y equal to 0. The required lines perpendicular to line L1 and perpendicular to line L2. So what is slope of this line L1? Slope of this line L1 is minus of coefficient of x by coefficient of y. Coefficient of x minus of coefficient of x is 3 by coefficient of y is minus 5. So m1 equals 3 by 5. So line L3 slope m3 equals slope of this line is perpendicular. Perpendicular and the product of the slopes equals minus 1. So slope of m1 equal 3 by 5, slope of line m3 equal to minus 5 by 3. Next, what is slope of this one? m2 minus of coefficient of x by coefficient of y. So slope is plus 1. Now slope of line L3, L4 is minus 1. So point line L3 and line L4 passes through this point 1 comma 2. Slope available, point available. You can find line equation L3. What line equation? Y minus y1. Y1 is 2. Slope is minus 5 by 3 into x minus x1. X1 is 1. Cross multiple. 3y minus 6 equals minus 5x plus 5. 5x plus 3y minus 11 equal to 0. It is a line L3. We can find line L4. Slope of line L4 is a minus 1.1 comma 2 passes through. So point and slope form y minus y1 equals slope into x minus x1. So y minus y1 L4 equals y minus y1. Y1 is 2. Slope is minus 1 into x minus x1. So x plus y minus of minus plus 1, so minus 3 equal to 0. I hope you are understanding. So x minus x1, so minus of minus plus will take left hand side minus 3. Okay. Now question is the combined equation of lines. What is the combined equation? Combined or joint equation. S equal to line L3 into line L4 equal to 0. What line L3? 5x. Real point right hand side must be 0. Right hand side is 0. 5x plus 3y minus 11 into x plus y minus 3 equal to 0. This is the answer. This is the required combined equation. I hope you are understanding. Find the condition if L1 angular bisector of coordinate axis. So the combined equation, x axis y axis, 45 degrees, 45 degrees, line L1. Now line L1 dash, line L1 and line L1 dash. It is an angular bisector of coordinate axis. Slope of line L1 either 1 or minus 1. Ax square plus 2hxy plus by square equal to 0. Now divided by x square, we get a plus 2h by x plus b into by x whole square equal to 0. I hope you are understanding. Now slopes, your slopes are 1 comma m or minus 1 comma m. 1 comma m or minus 1 comma m. So combined equation when divided by x square, it becomes quadratic in m. Slope of this line ఏమవుతుందండి? Slope of this line equal to slopes of given lines. Slope of given lines is 1 comma minus 1. Now first slope is 1. Slope equal to 1. Slope equal to 1 means y by x equal to 1. Y equal to mx. Now m equal to y by x. Y by x equal to 1. A plus 2h. So plus b equal to 0. Equation 1. This one is slope equal to minus 1. Y by x equal to minus 1. A minus 2h plus b equal to 0. Let us say equation 2. The combined equation or joint equation is, so product of these two, multiple of line 1 and multiple of equation 1 and equation 2. A plus b plus 2h equal to 0 into a minus 2h plus b equal to 0. Now a plus b minus 2h equal to 0. We get condition. So a plus b whole square, a plus b into a minus b, a square minus b square minus 4h square equal to 0, or a plus b whole square equal to 4h square. This is the condition. I hope you are understanding this one. Angular bisector, pair of angle bisector for pair of straight lines passing through origin. X axis, y axis. Angular bisector 1, angular bisector 2. Angle between these two 90 degrees. line L1, line L2. Y minus m1x equal to 0, line L2, y minus m2x equal to 0. Angular bisector 1 and angular bisector 2. Y minus m1x perpendicular length square root of 1 plus m1 square equal to plus or minus y minus m2x by square root of 1 plus m2 square. Now individual equations of angular bisector 1 and angular bisector 2. Individual equations. So first angular bisector 1 is y minus m1x by square root of 1 plus m1 square equal to y minus m2x by square root of 1 plus m2 square. Angular bisector 2, y minus m1x by square root of 1 plus m1 square equal to y minus m2x by square root of 1 plus m2 square minus of. So what is the combined joint equation? Joint equation. What is joint equation? This one is a minus b. This one is a plus b. A minus b into a plus b. A square minus b square. Now y minus m1x by square root of 1 plus m1 square whole square minus y minus m2x by square root of 1 plus m2 square whole square equal to 0. This is the joint equation of the two angular bisectors. Now y minus m1x whole square by 1 plus m1 square root of 1 plus m1 square whole square equal to 1 plus m1 square minus y minus m2x by 1 plus m2 square equal to 0, taking LCM. Now 1 plus m2 square into this one y square plus m1 square x square minus 2 m1 xy minus of 1 plus m1 square into this one is y square plus m2 square x square minus 2 m2 xy equal to 0. Now product of these two, y square plus m1 square x square minus 2 m1 xy plus m2 square y square plus m1 square m2 square x square minus 2 m1 m2 square xy minus y square minus m2 square x square minus of minus plus 2m2 xy. Next minus m1 square y square minus m1 square m2 square x square minus of minus plus 2m2 m1 square xy equal to 0. Plus y square minus y square cancelled out. m1 square m2 square x square minus m1 square m2 square cancel out these two. So bring outside x square. Now m1 square, where is x square? Here minus m2 square. Next, this one is over. Just y square, bring outside y square, minus m2 m1 square, minus m1 square, so bring outside minus, so m1 square minus m2 square, this is 2 over. Just bring outside xy plus xy, 2xy bring outside. So better one is the minus 2xy outside, minus 2xy. Now m1 is over. Next one, this one is the minus m2. This one over. Xy minus m1 minus means plus m1 m2 square. This one over. Last time is minus m2 m1 square equal to 0. I hope you are understanding. m1 square minus m2 square into x square, m1 square minus m2 square into y square. So minus of your m1 minus m2, bring outside m1 m2. This one is m2 minus m1, 2xy equal to 0. Now divided by m1 minus m2, divided by m1 minus m2, m1 minus m2, m1 minus m2, m1 minus m2. So divided by m1 minus m2, so we get m1 plus m2 into x square minus of m1 plus m2 into y square. So minus of this value is divided by m1 minus m2, so plus 1. So divided by m1 minus m2, so minus m1 m2, 2xy equal to 0. We know that m1 plus m2 sum of the roots minus 2h by b, m1 m2 a by b. So m1 plus m2 minus 2h by b into x square minus of m1 plus m2 minus of minus plus 2h by b by square. So minus 1 minus of minus plus m1 m2 minus 2xy minus of minus plus m1 m2 is a by b 2xy equal to 0. To bring outside 2 is cancelled. Now taking LCM b. So minus hx square plus hy square minus bxy plus axy equal to 0. Multiplied by minus hh square minus hy square, bring outside xy, multiplied by minus b minus a equal to 0. hx square minus hy square plus xy times of b minus a, h times of x square minus y square equal to minus of this one a minus b into xy. So h into x square minus y square equal to xy into a minus b, or x square minus y square by a minus b equal to xy by h. This is the formula. I will repeat this bottom part. So multiplied by minus hx square minus hy square plus xy bring outside a minus b or b minus a, b minus a equals 0. Now h times of x square minus y square equal to xy times of a minus b. Xy times of b minus a will take right hand side, it becomes a minus. Minus of this value is a minus b. This is the formula. H times of x square minus y square equal to xy times of a minus b, or x square minus y square by a minus b equal to xy by h. Angle bisector h times of x square minus y square equal to a minus b into xy. Now hx square minus hy square, this one will take left hand side, minus of a minus b into xy equal to 0. Now coefficient of x square plus coefficient of y square equal to 0. Coefficient of x square h, coefficient of y square is minus h. Coefficient of x square plus coefficient of y square equal to 0, then lines are perpendicular. Then perpendicular lines. Perpendicular lines. First case 1. H equal to 0. Case 1. H equal to 0. H equal to 0, entire term is 0. Now a minus b into xy equal to 0. So xy equal to 0. Now x equal to 0 or y equal to 0. X equal to 0, this one is y axis, y equal to 0, x axis. Okay, x equal to 0, y axis, y equal to 0, x axis. Axes are angle bisector of lines. Here y axis and x axis angle bisector of lines. X axis, this one is the y axis. Line L1, line L2. Here x axis is angle bisector of these two, theta and theta. This one is 90 minus theta, this one is 90 minus theta. Here x axis and y axis are angle bisector of lines. Case 2. A equal to b. A equal to b means right hand side is 0. Now h times of x square minus y square equal to 0. So x square minus y square equal to 0. A square minus b square, a plus b into a minus b. Now this will be y square equal to x square. So y equal to x and y equal to minus x. Y equal to x and y equal to minus x. Lines are coordinate axes. In this case, lines are coordinate axes. Line L2, line L1. Y equal to x, y equal to minus x. Okay, I hope you are understanding. In this case, the lines are coordinate axes. This one is theta and theta. The joint equation of angular bisectors. What's the formula? Angular bisectors joint equation. H into x square minus y square equals a minus b into xy. Now 3x square minus 4xy minus 5y square equal to 0. Compare to ax square plus 2hxy plus by square equal to 0. Now a is 3, h equal to minus 2, b equal to minus 5. A is 3, h equal to minus 2, b equal to minus 5. H is minus 2 times of x square minus y square. A minus b, 3 minus of minus 5, 8 xy. 2 ones are 2 fours. So x square minus y square so plus 4xy equal to 0. This is the answer. X square minus y square plus 4xy. Find the joint equation of angular bisector of ax square plus 2hxy plus by square equal to 0. Your joint equation of angular bisector. First one the angular bisectors AB1 AB2 తీసుకుందాం. మళ్ళీ ఇంకో ఈక్వేషన్ angular bisectors AB3 AB4 తీసుకుంటే సాల్వ్ అయిపోతుంది. Angular bisector 1, angular bisector 3, angular bisector 2, angular bisector 4. Ax square plus 2hxy plus by square equal to 0. Angular bisector 1 and angular bisector 2. What is the equation? H into x square minus y square equal to a minus b into xy. A minus b into xy. Hx square minus a minus b into xy minus hy square equal to 0. Now angular bisector 3 and angular bisector 4. Equation is this one is like a capital A into x square plus 2hxy plus capital B into y square equal to 0. Compare these two. Compare. Here A equals small h, 2h equals minus of A minus B. Now B equals minus h. Now angular bisector 3 and angular bisector 4. What general formula? మనకి ఇచ్చిన ఈ లైన్ ఈక్వేషన్ అనేది యాంగిల్ బైసెక్టర్ 1 అండ్ యాంగిల్ బైసెక్టర్ 2 అండి. దీనికేమో లైన్ ఈక్వేషన్స్ ఏమొస్తాయి? యాంగిల్ బైసెక్టర్ 3 అండ్ యాంగిల్ బైసెక్టర్ 4. సో దీని ఫార్ములా మనకి ఏమొస్తుంది? h ఇంటూ a, which is capital H ఇంటూ x స్క్వేర్ మైనస్ y స్క్వేర్ ఈక్వల్స్ a మైనస్ b. సారీ, here a minus b means capital A capital B. A minus b into xy. Value substitute చేయండి. Here h equals minus of a minus b by 2. H equal to minus of a minus b by 2. X square minus y square equal to a minus b. A is h minus of minus plus h xy. Finally simplify it. H plus h 2h, 2h into 2 4h, 4h xy. This one is minus of a minus b into x square minus y square. So this one will take right hand side, 4hxy plus a minus b into x square minus y square equal to 0. This is the answer. The joint equation of angular bisectors of angular bisectors. So 4hxy plus a minus b into x square minus y square. ఇక దీన్ని మోడిఫై చేయాలనుకున్నాం అనుకోండి, ax square సారీ a minus b into x square plus 4hxy minus a minus b into y square equal to 0. This is the answer. If each pair represented by x minus alpha xy minus y square equal to 0 and x square minus beta xy minus y square equal to 0 bisect angle between other pair, then find the required condition. We need to calculate condition between alpha and beta. Beta and alpha was condition also. So each pair represented by x square minus alpha xy minus y square equal to 0, x square minus beta xy minus y square equal to 0 bisect angle between other pair. L1, L3, L2, L4. Each pair bisect other pair. Each one bisect other. So x square minus alpha xy minus y square equal to 0. X square minus beta xy minus y square equal to 0. Now ax square plus 2hxy plus by square equal to 0. A equal to 1, b equal to minus 1, 2h equal to minus b beta minus beta, h equal to minus beta by 2. Now angular bisectors. Angular bisector equation. What is angular bisector equation? H into x square minus y square equal to a minus b into xy. Here h equal to minus beta by 2, minus beta by 2, x square minus y square. Now a minus b, 1 minus of minus plus 2, 2xy. Now x square minus y square equal to minus 4 by beta xy. X square minus y square plus 4 by beta xy equal to 0. Now compare these two. You get the condition. What is the question? Each pair represented by two lines bisect angle between other pair, then required condition. Compare these two. Coefficient of x square by x square. So minus coefficient of x square is 1 by coefficient of x square is 1 equal to coefficient of y square minus 1 here minus 1 by minus 1 equal to coefficient of xy minus alpha by coefficient of xy 4 by beta. This value 1, this value 1, 1 equal to minus alpha by 4 by beta. 4 by beta means minus alpha beta by 4. So alpha beta equal to minus 4.